Welcome to Play Pulse, your go-to source for the hottest stories in tennis. Today, we are diving into three major developments that are making waves in the sport. The first one, Carlos Alcaraz opens up about the relentless tennis calendar. Then, we celebrate Rafael Nadal's highly anticipated return to the Spain's Davis Cup team with the hopes that this won't be his final appearance. Lastly, we break down the controversy surrounding Sumit Nagal and his Davis Cup demands. So, let's get into it. Our first story focuses on world number 3, Carlos Alcaraz, who's had an extraordinary year. After claiming 2 Grand Slam titles, Wimbledon and French Open, and a silver medal at Paris Olympics, Alcaraz has become one of the sport's brightest stars. But the heavy toll on the tennis calendar has him concerned. In a candid moment after his Laver Cup win against Ben Shelton, Alcaraz expressed frustration with the package schedule, remarking, "They're going to kill us in some way." A bold statement, but it's easy to see why he feels that way. Alcaraz has played 50 singles matches this year, winning 41 and losing 9. Yet, despite his victories, the Spaniard admitted the grueling calendar often leaves him physically and mentally drained. His concerns reignited debates about whether the ATP schedule is too demanding, especially for the younger players like Alcaraz. Should tennis authorities rethink about the calendar to preserve players' well-being? What's your take? Let us know in the comments below. In our second story, we shift to the king of clay, Rafael Nadal, who is making an emotional return to Spanish Davis Cup team. And this news has electrified fans across the globe. At 38, the following months of injury rehab, Nadal's participation in the Davis Cup raises questions about whether this could be his last dance on the international stage. In fact, Carlos Alcaraz himself expressed hope that this Davis Cup stint won't be the swan song for Nadal's legendary career. He's looking forward to joining forces with his idol as Spain take on the Netherlands in the quarterfinals this November. While Nadal hasn't competed since the Paris Olympics and his match fitness is still in question, his indomitable fighting spirit is never in doubt. Fans are eager to see if Nadal can once again inspire Spain to glory, and this time on the hard courts of Malaga. Can Nadal defy the odds and give us one more unforgettable Davis Cup performance? Let's hope this won't be the final chapter of his remarkable career. Finally, let's talk about the heated controversy involving the Indian tennis star Sumit Nagal. The All India Tennis Star Association, AITA, recently accused Nagal of demanding $50,000 to play in India's Davis Cup tie against Sweden, a match India lost 0-4. Nagal, however, claims the request for the compensation is a standard practice in the professional sports. Nagal stated that he pulled out of Davis Cup tie due to a back strain, but then appeared to be fit competing in the ATP Hangzhou Open, shortly after sparking accusations of prioritizing personal gains over national duty. AITA Secretary Anil Dupar criticized Nagal's stance, questioning why players like him are demanding extra payment when they are already compensated through the prize money for the Davis Cup appearance. Nagal defended his decision, saying that representing his country is an honor, but fair compensation is also important. As the controversy escalates, some are questioning about the communication between players and AITA, while others believe the root of the issue lies in how Indian tennis handles the players' incentives. So, what's your take? Should players like Nagal be compensated more for representing their countries, or should national pride come above the financial consideration? That's it for today's episode. We have touched some of the major talking points, from Alcaraz's concerns about burnout to Nadal's incredible return and Sumit Nagal's Davis Cup drama. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to Play Pulse for more tennis updates. I'm your host, Mansa Channapragada, signing off.